Welcome. Today we present the Fueiceel FC4d flow cell platform, engineered for high current density research with an ultra-small electrode gap. Our 3D anatomy reveals its precision-engineered modular structure, including robust flow plates, conductive collectors, and dedicated reference electrode ports for easy assembly. By shortening the ion transport distance, this low-resistance design directly minimizes ohmic drop, ensuring efficient electron transfer and continuous product flow. Standard specifications include a 4 square centimeter area, titanium and stainless steel collectors, and compatibility with various gas diffusion and metal mesh electrodes. We will assemble the Fueiceel FC4d low-resistance flow cell electrolyzer. Please pre-assemble the anode plate first. Place the 25-25mm perforated gasket at the center of the flow field plate. Insert the 25-25mm anode electrode into the opening of the gasket. First, place the 20-20mm gasket with a center opening. Then, lay the ion exchange membrane flat. Then, add the second gasket with the same dimensions. Place the catholyte electrolyte chamber. Place the 25-25mm gasket. Insert the 25-25mm cathode electrode into the gasket hole. Place the pre-assembled cathode flow field plate with the O-ring and current collector. First, place the 8 metal spacers one by one. Next, place the 8 nuts one by one and pre-tighten them. Tighten the nuts with a wrench using a diagonal cross pattern to ensure uniform compression. The Fueiceel FC4d low-resistance flow cell electrolyzer is fully assembled. Designed for high reproducibility, it features a sub-2 mm gap, corrosion-resistant collectors, and a modular assembly to drastically minimize internal resistance. This versatile platform supports cutting-edge applications, including carbon dioxide reduction, water splitting, gas diffusion reactions, and continuous flow organic electrosynthesis. In our first FAQ section, we cover gap customization down to 1 mm, cell voltage optimization, and proper gas diffusion electrode orientation. The second FAQ section provides expert guidance on preventing leaks, resolving reference signal drift, and properly cleaning the cell post-experiment. For customized gaps or specialized materials, contact SEI Materials Hub. We provide tailored flow cell solutions to elevate your scientific publications.